Hello dear students, in this lesson I'm gonna talking about solving inequalities by multiplying or divide. Example number 1, we have 24 greater than h divided by 5. We have division, so we have to take the inverse of division. The inverse operation of division is multiplication, so we have to multiply both sides by the number that is with the variable. In inequality, when we multiply or divide the inequalities by a negative number, this sign change to the opposite sides. It means when we have less than or greater than, like that, when we have greater than, when we divide or multiply this inequality by a negative number, this greater than become less than, or when we have less than become greater than. So example number 1, we have 24 greater than h divided by 5. We have to multiply both sides by 5. 24 greater than h out of 5. You have to multiply both sides by 5. These two 5s are reduced, h stay, and 5 times 24 equal to 120. So we can write this inequality like that: h less than 120. Example number 2, we have negative 7x greater than or equal to 42. So we have multiplication, we have to divide both sides by the number that's with the variable. The number that is with the variable is negative 7. So you have to divide both sides by negative 7. These two terms are reduced, x stay, and then we have to change this sign. We have greater than or equal become less than or equal to 42 divided by 7 equal to 6. And then plus times minus is minus, so x less than or equal to negative 6. Example number 3, 2 out of 3, x less than 4. We have 2 out of 3, x less than 4. We have to we have multiplication, so you have to divide both sides by 2 out of 3, or we can multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 2 out of 3 is 3 out of 2 multiplied by 3 out of 2. These two fractions are reduced, x stay less than. We have to change this whole number to fraction. 4 times 3 is 12, 2 times 1 is 2, and then we can write x less than 12 divided by 2 is 6. Example number 4, 4x greater than or equal to negative 5. We have multiplication, we have to divide both sides by 4. So these two 4s are reduced, x greater than or equal to negative 5 out of 4. Example number 5, we have negative 4 out of 5y greater than negative 8. So we can multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 4 out of 5. So we have negative 4 out of 5y greater than negative 8. We have to multiply both sides by negative 5 out of 4. these two terms are reduced, y, and then we multiply this inequalities by a negative number, this sign change to less than, and then you have to multiply these two numbers. 8 times 5 is 4t, 1 times 4 is 4, minus times minus is plus, and then y less than 40 divided by 4 is 10, y less than 10. Example number 6, we have t out of 9 greater than 4. T out of 9 greater than 4. We have to we have division, so we have to multiply both sides by 9. These two 9s are reduced. T stay greater than 4 times 9 equal to 36. Example number 7, we have 101 or negative 101 less than or equal to p out of minus 7. We have to multiply both sides by negative 7. 1 or 7 times 101 equal to 707, and then we have to change the signs from less than or equal to greater than or equal, and then these two terms are reduced, p. So p is less than or equal 707. Example number 8, we have negative 16 less than 2r. We have to divide both sides by 2. These two 2's are reduced, and then 16 divided by 2 is 8, negative 8. So we can write r greater than negative 8.